mountains on the top.
Yeah, it has the mountains. Not that the wheels are still so not that one. Oh, if you look on the back, you can see the label of the tree. That one doesn't.
Wow, here comes the stage car.
So, like on the back of the car, you might see. Yeah, that's the stage car. That's the stage car. Yeah, there it is.
Prescott. Hey baby, we've had such a busy year. We've been on the road and I've been missing home. So could we just stay right here? Let's curl up by the fireplace. We don't need no malls, we've seen one, you've seen them all. It's no way to spend the day. This Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. I'm happy with the life we made. All the dogs in the throat will be playing in the snow until the day I fade. Let's keep it real, let's keep it sweet. We don't have to throw away precious dollars we have saved on things we don't need. This Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. This Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. Yes, I do. This Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. This Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. This Christmas, I just need you. Thank you so much! How are you guys doing tonight? best crowd of the day for energy. Yeah! All right, it's so great to be here, freezing our fingers off and raising some money for your local food pantry. Thank you guys so much for being here and donating. Doesn't this train look so beautiful? Let's give a round of applause for Canadian Pacific. All right, I think we should do one for that fuzzy guy with the orange nose, yellow nose.
I think it's blue.
Blue nose?
Mine's definitely blue.
Red nose.
What is it?
Randy. Did you hear that one, Chad?
I heard Randolph.
Reginald.
That's it.
Reginald? The reindeer? Rudolph. Thank you guys. Can you help me out with this one in case I forget some names? Okay. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. Do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then on foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer will go down in history. Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. Canadian Pacific, will you please say hi to our friend Andy? Hi! Good evening, Caledonia!
How y'all doing out there tonight? My name is Andy Cummings, and on behalf of Canadian Pacific, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this beautiful 2019 holiday train. What do you think? We're pretty fond of it too. We've been taking it coast to coast since 1999. This is year 21 for us, but year number 1 for Caledonia, and I am so pleased to be here. The story of this train, when we got this started, we wanted to test the concept and see if we could raise money bringing this train around. And what we found is that over the years we've been able to raise $15.8 million and 4.5 million pounds of food for community food banks all across North America. And we do that because of the great support of folks like you. I want to thank you so much for being here, and I want to thank you for making donations today. It does make a difference to help your neighbors in need. Next up, I'm going to make a little room on the stage here. Jim, the village president. Jim, you want to come on out? Jim, everybody.
Welcome. I'd like to say thanks for everybody showing up, and judging by this crowd, I think they'll be back. Jim Dobbs, the president of Caledonia. I'd like to thank the CP train for coming and raising all this food for Receipt County. It's wonderful. Have a great night and Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Now I'd like to invite out a couple of special guests here. Sue from the Depot is the one who has done a lot of the legwork here. Sue, come on out. Karan Butler. Come on, Karan and Sue, come on out. Big round of applause, please. Sue's the one who made this happen, and we're so happy that she did. So, we've asked these two to accept the check on behalf of the Racine County Food Shelf, and so I'm going to ask Kevin. He is our locomotive engineer of this train. He's the man who makes it run. He's going to be bringing out a check to the Racine County Food Shelf for $3,000!
Thank you so much, Andy, and welcome everybody. It's awesome to see you all out here. Thank you for being here tonight. Thank you for Karan. It was difficult for him to clear his schedule, but he made it happen for us, for Caledonia. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
And real quick, I just want everybody to take a moment and give yourself a round of applause real quick. Make some noise for yourself. This is extremely special for everyone to be out here. I wouldn't miss this for the world. I traveled all the way from Los Angeles. I'd like to thank Sue, the Geller family, and everybody else that invited me out to share this stage. I want to say Merry Christmas to all of you. I love you, and much love, man. Enjoy the holidays. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Thanks, Karan. Hey, Bob, do you want to come out? Bob, your state assemblyman. I want to invite him out. Do you guys want to go ahead and take that side stage? Bob, everybody.
Okay, so not really a lot to add to that, but I'd like to extend a welcome to Canadian Pacific for being here in the 62nd Assembly District. Hopefully you'll come back again next year. I'd like to thank Parker Equipment, the Depot, especially Sue, for all that they've done tonight to host this, and thank all of you for supporting a great cause, and I wish you happy holidays and a Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, I turn this show over to Meghan Patrick, ladies and gentlemen!
How we doing, Caledonia?
It ain't the long hair, it ain't the long legs. Yeah, I'm sure that it don't hurt, but it ain't the thing that makes it work. For a girl like me, maybe it's the blue eyes, maybe it's the mud ties, or that rusted out GMC. It ain't perfect, but it's working. Yeah, yeah. For a girl like me, woman is about guys like you. They can lose their minds trying to catch my eye, changing their ways till they get their way. And a long line of guys that are just the same. I like you, you're going round the bell, out the window place. You're just burning love, 'cause you love the chase. And I guess it's why guys like you got a thing for girls like me. Guess it's why guys like you got a thing for girls like me. He's tattooed, working man blues. His neck is red, but the words he says he's certain that it's working on a girl. Yeah, 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 and it's working on a girl like me. One is about guys like you. They can lose their minds trying to catch my eye, changing their ways till they get their way. And a long line of guys that are just the same. I like you, you're going round the bell, out to win that race. You're just burning rubber, 'cause you love the chase. And this is why guys like you got a thing for girls like me. This is why guys like you got a thing for girls like me. girls like me. How we doing? We staying warm out there? Well, I would just like to say I'm so excited to be here. This is my very first day and first time playing on the holiday train. And I'd also like to wish a happy birthday to Ken Parker. It's my understanding he put on this shindig here. I'm also trying my very best to keep my guitar in tune. It doesn't like this weather very much. Even I'm a little cold. I'm Canadian, but I think I've been living in Nashville for the last few years. I think it's made me southern soft. I need to reacclimate with my roots. And what better place to do it than here? There you go, yeah! What do you think? Should we play a Christmas song? Yeah. Let's do it. Much. Whew. Can't feel my fingers. I don't really need those for my job. I checked, they're still there, so that's good. Do you guys mind if I play a song I wrote? This is a love song, which is kind of a new thing for me. But I found a guy that was worth writing a love song about. He was, we were actually in Florida and we were riding scooters one time and we were racing each other, which was probably really dangerous. Don't do that, kids. But I just remember looking at him and smiling and thinking, I finally found a guy that can keep up with me. He's as wild as me. So that's what I named the song.
2, 3, 4.
picture of Johnson Place. Make the time to take us home, all the sweeter baby. We won't hard to love, but we love it's easy. I live in the fast lane, and baby, you're wild as me. My once in a lifetime, baby, at the same time, crazy. I want every sunset, every sunrise, the whole time that sets me free. I think I found somebody wild as me. Baby, you're wild. It's crazy. Baby, you're Baby, you're wild as me. My once in a lifetime, baby, I'll say I'm crazy. I want every sunset, every sunrise, the whole time that sets me free. I can't believe I found somebody wild as me. For Dad of the Year, who just had his head used as a hand drum for most of that song. I mean, they say children can be a headache sometimes. Now I really know what that means. You're keeping great time, buddy. What do you think? Should we play another Christmas song? Well, this is one of my all-time favorite Christmas songs, and we're going to do it real country, if that's all right with you guys. And somewhat in tune. How blue Christmas without you. I'd be so blue thinking about you. Christmas. Give it up for Meghan Patrick. Can't believe this is the first time. You guys are amazing. You guys really brought it tonight. Thank you so much for being here. Helping your neighbors in need. It's a beautiful thing. I think we should probably do one more.
I mean, we really should, because they haven't heard me play the Jingle Bells yet.
Oh.
And as you know, I am an award-winning world champion of the Jingle Bells.
3 years running.
3 years running.
Yep.
Congratulations, Meg.
Little known fact.
That's huge.
Thank you. It's really my pride and joy in life.
This is the perfect chance for me to get my hands warm for 3 seconds. Thank you so
Get your
much.
hands warm.
All right, can you guys help us out a little bit?
Hold on, really quick though. Let's hear it for everybody here. These guys have been on stage this whole time, killing it. Kelly, Toby, Andrew, Chad. They're an amazing band.
Thank you. All right, we need to see some bopping, guys. You ready?
Prescott, everybody! On behalf of the entire CB family, I bid you adieu. Merry Christmas and Happy
Okay, let's go.
Jingle